Hi, today Ayush will tell you how to make this colorful fortune teller. It has numbers in it. You can see it here like this, and we can also write in for the fortune. You can see this. I will also tell you how to play with it. I will tell you the basic thing. We have to do like this only, or we can do like this. Hi, I am a fortune teller. Like this. So please see my video till the end, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. So let's see how I made this colorful fortune teller. So first you need a paper, a scissor and some colors or sketch pens. Okay, so first we will fold it like this, like a triangle. You can see it. It looks like this. You can see it like this, and then we will use the scissor, and then we will cut it from here. And then we have to open it like this, and we have to fold it in a half again. You can see this, and then we have to open it, and then we have to fold it like this in a triangle. You can see it, and we have to do in the all side. We have to do same in the all side. You can see it. A smaller square is formed, and then we have to fold it the other. We have to don't fold, we have to turn our plate on the other side, and then we have to fold it like this, and then we have to do same in the all side. Like this. So I have folded from the all sides, you can see, and then we have to turn it over like this, and we have to flat it all over. You can see it is formed like this, and then we have to fold it in a half. You can also turn it here and fold, which will make it more easier to fold. And we have to one more time fold it like this. You can see it. have to open it and put our fingers here like this, and then we have to do here also like this, and do like this. That will form like a fortune teller. And now we will color it. So first we will make it flat and take the color purple, and then we will color it. You can take any color for this to color our fortune teller. So you can see I have colored the all sides of my fortune teller. So let's number it from here. So we will take a black sketch pen and we will number it. You can give the number any. I will give 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So now you can see I have numbered it from the all sides. You can see it. Now we will write something from the inner side here. So first we will make the lines in the between these triangles. You can also take the scale to do this. You can see I have made the lines in the all sides, and now we will write in the inside part. So I will write in the first, I will write good like this. You can see. So we have to do the same method in the all side. You can see it. So you can see I have written in the all side, and now our fortune teller is ready and formed. You can see. We have to simply put our 2 fingers here and 2 fingers here like this, and we have to do like this. Fortune teller, what I have in the fortune. So then we have to select number from the inside. I will select 8. So I got poor. So thanks for watching my video. Bye for today.